Hi everyone, I'm Peggy Kay, and I want to invite you to a workshop on blogging and using Blogger that I'm hosting on November 15th. The workshop is being put together through Tangi, which is an experimental platform from Google's Area 120. A goal of the platform is to inspire people to try new things, and it hosts very short do-it-yourself videos on arts, crafts, cooking, gardening, decor, beauty, you name it. And then people are encouraged to try those tutorials themselves and post their own videos. And of course it has the usual social features like commenting, following, and liking videos. A lot of the folks on Tangi are also interested in blogging, and so that's what I'm going to be talking about. First of all, why you might want to have a blog as a creator and what kind of content you might want to post, and then more specifically, how to get started using the Blogger blogging platform, which is what I use for my own blog. There will be time for a question and answer session at the end of the workshop. It's really easy to sign up for the workshops with a small catch. You need to install the Tangi mobile app on your device to sign up. Once you've installed the Tangi app, sign in with your Google account, and you can either open my profile, which is Peggy K, or you can tap the Workshops tab and find my workshop in the list there. You can tap the button to get more information and then sign up. Once you're signed up, you will get a link to join the workshop. The workshops themselves are held using Google Meet, so you can join either on your mobile device or on your desktop computer. The other limitation is that Tangi is not available in Europe and some other countries. So unfortunately, if that's where you're located, you won't be able to join. It is available in the US, India, Japan, and a number of other countries. So again, the workshop is on Sunday, November 15th at 8 a.m. Pacific time, which is 9:30 p.m. India time. I hope some of you sign up, and I will see you there.